Hello friends, welcome back to DJ Spec. Today I'm going to introduce a new concept called Tangram. Let me tell you something about Tangram. Tangram, basically a puzzle, consists of 7 plain shapes which are put together to form a specific shape. Usually we do this on the square cardboard. Lines must be drawn and we cut along the lines to obtain a 7 geometrical shapes. Using all these 7 pieces together, a variety of shapes can be formed. Here, to draw this, I am going to use an app called Google Drawings. For that, initially you have to sign in to a Gmail account. I have already signed in my Gmail account. And after then, you can click on to this new tab and type here drawings.google.com. This is one way of opening a Google Drawings. The another way is you can click on to the Google Apps icon in your mail, and after then you can choose Google Drive. From there, in the more options, you can choose Google Drawings. Okay, and here we are using 3 geometrical shapes like triangle, square, parallelogram, and we form the 7 pieces of shapes and we put together to form a particular shape. Here I am going to draw a lady. You can draw anything with these 7 plain shapes. This is exactly a fun way of learning shapes, and you can practice your eye-hand coordination skills as well. To get the shapes, we have to click onto this insert tab and select shapes, and this shapes we need initially a square, and we'll draw a square here and we'll tilt a little bit like this, and after that we get a shape, a triangle, right click, rotate it to the clockwise 90 degree, and now we form counterclockwise. This one is apt one. We choose it and we fix it here. And now we'll take one more shape, and again we need a right angle triangle like this and form a shape. Later we adjust it to the size, and we need a small triangle then, and click onto it, rotate counterclockwise and adjust it like this. And now we need 2 small triangles as well. You can get it from here, or else you can copy paste it, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Get it here and just resize it. Now you can join it here and again copy paste it and get it here and rotate it like this, and just move it here. Now we are going to adjust it. Fine, and one more thing we need is a parallelogram. We'll get it from the shape, insert, shape, get a parallelogram. Draw like this. Okay, then tilt it like this. You can see a lady is walking. Okay, fine. Now we'll adjust the shapes. Right now we'll do that. Okay, and then you can drag it here. Everything went fine, I think. We have to adjust a little more. You can even hold the shift key and then adjust it. Hold the shift key and move your arrow buttons on the keyboard. And again you adjust it. Stay closer. So now everything went fine, I think. We'll adjust this part alone. Now we'll select completely and we go for outline, no outline, or you can choose like this. And you can choose here completely. You can go for gradient, this color. Now adjust it. Closer. And here then join like this. If you want, you can adjust this. Now everything went fine. We can give colors as well. So you can choose different colors. This, if you mean this is a hair, you can go for black color and this one, and select this one holding the shift key, and you can go for this color and put this everything and move the center. Move it to the center. And now you can change the background also. Then give a plain background. Okay, in this way we can draw tangrams in a Google Drawings. I have drawn many things like tangrams 2. I have given a file name crow, cat, tree, and I have drawn house as well. And here I have drawn tangrams like running man, fish, and everything I have drawn. So this is our new one. We'll give a title, lady underscore tangram. So this is good, I suppose. Fine. Okay, thank you so much. I hope this video would be helpful for you. You can try out this. Please do watch my video. Please subscribe and share. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video.